Hello, greetings to everyone. Welcome to Qasim Raza vlog. Today I'm traveling to Turkey and I have a stopover in Jeddah Airport, which is King Abdul Aziz International Airport. So we're gonna explore this airport and we're gonna see what beautiful places this airport have and what food court we do have in this airport. So how we're gonna spend our time in this airport. So we're gonna compare the pricing of different food courts for comparing the Baik airport as well and the Turkish airport as well. So we're gonna explore together and see what are the best things we have in this airport. So let's together explore this airport. This is a very beautiful aquarium. This is actually not in waiting side. It is actually when we depart from the airport, and they made it so beautiful. You can see different kinds of fishes over here. Yeah, so nice. This hotel is our hotel, airport transfer hotel. So I found a very beautiful hotel here in the airport. This is so beautiful and peaceful actually. You can spend a whole life here. My favorite one, past night here. So plenty space here in this room. It is also be available if anybody have a stay here. Gym here, you can have any facility you can want. So guys, we're gonna move to the roof tower and we're gonna see the food court. Let's see which food courts we have in this airport. So as you can see, there are two main big brands are beside me. The one is the McDonald's and the one is the Baik. So let's see what they're offering. Okay guys, here's McDonald's on the outside. So let me show you their menu so you can check what you can get in what pricing. So here the menu is on the airport. Well, it seems quite fair. It's not expensive and as compared to any other airport. Here we're gonna show you the more. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, nice. You can do the best you can. Okay guys, hope you have seen the best thing. Let's see other things on the airport. Hello guys, the good news is you can have wonderful and tasty and very famous Saudi Baik on the airport. So let's see, check it out what they are offering on the airport and what the pricing is. Here is the live kitchen. You can see they are making amazing food for us. Aziz making chicken high meal 5 pieces only 70.5 Saudi Riyal. It's a good price, I reckon. So there are more value deals are just coming up. Let's take you. So guys, here's the Domino's and let's see their pricing and you can compare with other restaurants and fast food. Here are the deals and you can also see here their menu, their pricing and their flavors. Okay, let's go to the other thing. There's a Hijazi goodies and this is based on Saudi Arabia, a restaurant, and this is not junk food actually, this is not fast food, and this is something that we can get like snacks and also the meats. Let's check out their menu. Here you can see a variety of here and they make it like fresh. When you order, they make it on the way. Yeah, this is just like a wraps. And there's a live kitchen over there, and you can see the dishes displayed. Yeah, it looks so delicious actually. and it's so freshy. And here there are, lunch menu here. Yeah, that's it from it. Okay guys, I'm going to in and enjoy my coffee in another project of Plaza Premium. This is a VIP lounge here. So let me show you the lounge. It's quite good to have such a beautiful lounge in the airport. Okay, we can have the tea, coffee. I will take my coffee a little. That's first. Yes, here. Okay, so let's take our coffee here. Yes. Which flavor you guys like? I like no, hot milk, flat coffee, cappuccino, latte, and express. Okay, let me catch a meal. Cappuccino caramel. Let's take this one. Oh, not pressing. Yeah, it's gonna be installed here. Okay guys, I'm going to enjoy my coffee, so I will join you with the different content. So at the moment, take care, bye bye.